Hello there, Pinamini! So I'm here and for today I'll be presenting to you this fidget spinners na perfect para sa mga fur parents out there. So syempre kapag kayo busy or bored kayo, pwede kayo maglaro netong mga fidget toys ito at it has a message on it na perfect sa inyo. Katulad neto, nakalagay, it rocks to be a fur parent. So you also have in different colors. So ito naman black, nakalagay, it rocks to be a fur dad. So meron naman dito, ayan, ito rin siya. Then, meron naman dito this green one, nakalagay dito, proud fur mom. So, here naman, ito rin yung katulad kanina, it rocks to be a fur parent. And, we also have this in black one, pero nakalagay naman, it rocks to be a fur mom. And, this one in blue one naman, yung it rocks to be a fur dad. So, if you're interested with this one, just go and check out dyan sa aming yellow basket. And also, you can see this actual in person kapag nag-visit kayo sa aming bazaar located at Greenfield. So, see you guys there. Thank you!